Hi guys, welcome back. Here we are again with another video. Now we will see how to prepare a lesson plan. Here I will list out the contents that must be included in a lesson plan. Firstly, the basic details that includes the name of teacher, grade you are going to teach, subject and topic for which the lesson plan is prepared, duration of the lesson, and the date on which you are planning to teach this specific topic. Next comes the learning objectives. It is one of the key components in a lesson plan. So it must be clear to the students in such a way that all must know what they are learning and why they are doing it. Hence, write your lesson plan objective on the board. And most importantly, you must ask one of the students to read it. If you have more than one objective, list them so. And also have to point out whenever you achieve that objective in between the lesson. Now, after the objective, you have to include the starter activity. It's a warm-up session. So, it can be either subject-related activity like some examples from previous topic or anything that must engage students like get them thinking and a clear focus on learning. After the warm-up session, you can come to the main topic where you have to describe the topic briefly and explain it through simple activities. In each main activity, you must include the instructional based questions and conceptual based questions. Now let's see what are these. Now coming to instructional based questions. Just after giving a main activity to the students, you must ask them what are you going to do? That is how to solve the activity and also the time required for them to complete that specific activity. Also, you must have already included the time for each activity in the lesson plan. Conceptual based questions comes after completion of the activity. These are concept based questions. That's what they achieved or the concepts that are clear to them after doing that specific activity. Lastly, plenary. It can be added anywhere in the lesson plan, but better to be in the final session. Plenary allows the teacher to assess the whole class understanding at once. It can be a questionnaire session where you can get to ask a few questions randomly and get to know how well they are clear with the concept and also where they find it difficult to follow up. Also, you can conduct a quiz. By letting the students to create their own quiz cards will allow them to get a deeper knowledge and also allow you to assess their understanding more effectively. Here I will show you a lesson plan for better understanding. It's a lesson plan specifically made for MOE interview purpose. Still, it lacks few important points like instructional based questions, conceptual based questions like that. You can add that also. So guys, that's about the lesson plan preparation. Hope it was useful. If you like the video, please do subscribe, like and comment. Also, please do point out if I am wrong anywhere. Thank you all for your support, and I will be back with another video. Take care. Bye bye.